This is currency trading. As usual, we are checking the time frame first. This is 5 minutes time frame chart of Usdinr. Check out the chart carefully. We are zooming out the chart to check the earlier support level. This level, which is currently running, was already on support zone. Let's draw the support zone area from the past to find out the actual level to trade. Now check it carefully. These are supporting points. Now the current scenario is same like before. We can buy the first level for some small picks. Second level will be our target. Let's wait for the trading zone to buy. Buy done and wait for result. The target that I mentioned, it's touched. We are booking our trade on Intraday platform. It's another trade tricks. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more live tricks and updates.